Hey, what's up? Hello. Okay, now let's talk about 1999 Jefferson Nickel. Okay, first, let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust. Liberty, 1999 D. Okay, a little error off center, just a little. Okay, the back of the coin and the reverse of the coin, or the reverse side of the coin. Okay, E pluribus unum, Monticello, 5 cents, United States of America. Okay, now let's find out the value or the price of a 1999 Jefferson nickel. Okay, here we go. The value of a 1999 Jefferson nickel in average condition to be worth 5 cents, while one in mint state could be valued around $1.25. Okay, $1.25, while one in mint state. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. And have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.